what's up? So today I'm gonna talk about crash pads. So I just finished a 2 days bike driving training, technique improving training, which I would really highly recommend to all of you because it gives you a mirror and shows you your capabilities, your strengths and weaknesses. And you know, you practice different maneuvers, you practice, emergency braking or how to avoid collisions and so on. And in one exercise where I had to make a very narrow 8 or infinity turn, I hit the markers and my rear tire just slipped out, and on the other second I was already on my left side. So fortunately I'm using these Puig Pro crash pads. So as I just said, the left side of the bike was hit, and as you can tell, nothing really happened. So the adapter for the crash pad was bent to the inside, and this absorbed all the energy of the crash. And if I look at my bike, I have here some scratches here, but really nothing happened to the tank, nothing happened to the fairings. I have here nothing, and of course on the exhaust I've got also some scratches. So these are actually marks which you can find on every 5-year-old bike, and they are not really expensive to fix. What I'm gonna do is I will try to replace this adapter, buy a new one, and then I can put it back where it belongs. Of course the crash pads has some scratches, but this is normal. But if I would just think what it would have cost to fix the tank, get new fairings, fix the painting, it would have cost me a lot more. So is it worth it to invest in crash pads or frame sliders? Absolutely yes, because these from Puig, they cost about 180 euros, but if I would, calculate the cost, what would have happened, it would be easily like, I don't know, maybe 600, 700, 800 euros. So they're good. You just have to buy good quality ones, because I know you can get very cheap ones from China, etc. I wouldn't recommend them. Of course, if you have a big crash, they will not save your life, or the life of the bike. But in such situations where you just your leg slips, or you just drop the bike at low tempo or mid tempo, or at, for example, at the red light, it can be really a pain in the ass that such a small mistake can make you a huge amount of damage. And this is why we have frame sliders. So highly recommend, ride safe, and take care guys. Cheers.